G'day, Mick from Z Grills Australia here. Today we're going to look at the important question which I often have of how much smoke should a wood smoker smoke if a wood smoker would smoke. Let's turn it on, let's see how much smoke is released initially and then over about 10 to 15 minutes of operating at the smoke setting so we get a good understanding of what's realistic and what's normal to be coming out of the chimney over time. Alrighty, we have full flame. Our first big cloud of smoke is clear, so I'm going to shut the lid and leave it on the smoke setting. So the smoke is released in cycles. Basically, you've got a fire in that fire pot. Once it dies down and you dump more pellets in, they start to smoulder, and that's when you get your nice little batches of smoke being released. This amount of smoke here is a perfect amount of smoke you want to see every 5 or 10 minutes of operation at those lower temperatures up to about 120 degrees C. Any more than this, we've probably got too much wood dust dropping into the fire pot. In terms of the difference between a pellet smoker and an offset is going to give you maybe a little bit more consistent smoke out of the chimney because you've got logs that are continually burning in the firebox, whereas the pellet smoker is going to be providing batches of smoke as we've discussed. But you're actually going to get very, very similar results in terms of the smoke ring and the flavour that's delivered to the meat. And that's really, at the end of the day, all that matters.